Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all. You guys are in for a rude awakening. Watch this. I was so bruh. I was caught off guard. I didn't even know you could take those off. What's going on? I mean, the hair still looks nice though, but guys, I know this is not waves, okay? I believe these are braids, because last time I called somebody's hair braids, they said it was twists. They started coming crazy at me in the comments. But y'all, bear with me. This is not why I'm reacting to this video. Y'all gonna see in a second why I'm reacting to this video. You feel me? Do you see that freaking laughter, bro? Yo,
yeah,
don't tag them. They're gonna get banned. Don't tag.
I tried my best. Hold on, let me brush a little bit more just to try
you
to
need
get
more
it
lather.
its
That's
best.
what you need.
I hear the final.
The more lather, the better it's gonna look. But it's good though. It's decent. You did a good job.
And yeah, I'm out. Peace.
Oh, okay. So this must be some kind of new technique.
Alright guys, so the reason why the barber is doing that is because of those little spiky hairs that pokes up out of the do-rag. You don't have to do that though. You can just get a soft brush, plastic bag, and double compress for 30 minutes. Your hair's gonna be super late. But that's a good option though.
So I decided to do
your brother's hair.
His hair was extremely picky.
Okay, that right there needs a wash. Okay.
So
yeah,
because
that's gonna
hurt, which took a while because his hair
you need to
was so
spray
picky
it so it could be easier.
So tender,
you know, when it's wet, it's a lot easier to manipulate. However you say that word, manipulate.
Yeah, it's me blow drying it.
Okay.
Then I put
you still didn't wet the hair though. You feel me? I
I
don't know. Maybe you did, but I feel like when you wet the hair, it's much easier to moisturize.
And I started to do braids, sectioned it off.
Maybe I'm wrong. But
yep, I'm not a hairdresser, so the partings are a bit wonky. Yeah,
the hair still looks dry.
I keep saying
did you add any moisturizer? I mean, I'm not. Hey.
Yeah. I put
that's the mousse. That lather look nice, but that's mousse though. I learned from my past videos. That's not lather, that's mousse.
And then the final product.
I guess is mousse a moisturizer? Cause that's the only thing you added to the hair. I don't know. Alright, y'all. So I'm getting tagged in haircut videos now. I ain't a barber. I don't really know what to do when it comes to haircuts. But I know he got curls. He could turn those to waves while he do a wash and style. I know he getting like a drop fade. I know that's a hairline right there. You know, mine. I need my hairline to be, to be fixed. But good cut. Y'all go follow. Alright, y'all. Today we're making homemade oil mix. I think this works for dry scalp. Alright. We all need this. I need this because I got some dry scalp that I need to get rid of. Alright. So we're going to use organic coconut oil. That's the one I used to cook with. We're going to use that. What's that? That's glycerin? Glycerin. Raw honey? Are you serious? Raw honey. Okay. Vitamin E. Put some vitamin E oil in there. Some tea tree. Tea tree is pretty good for treating dry scalp. I heard aloe vera is really good too, but yeah, we're going to melt it. What else we going to do? Okay, take a spoon that we eat with. Make sure you wash the spoon afterwards. And that's shit. Shout out to Top Wavers. But, hey man, waves looking elite. Okay. But I see a couple flaws in there. This fork right here is almost gone. This one right here, you need a lot of work. But everything else looks dope. Hey man, since you guys like the washing style this dude did, bro, here's the results, man. I don't think there's any products in there, but it looks so good without the products, bro. Good job, man. Alright, y'all, I got 5 seconds to let me know what's wrong with his waves right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm back. His crown area right here, there's no waves right there. You see that part? No waves. Fork, right there. Alright, y'all, so today we're making our own products, alright? My supporters have been asking. My whip hair butter will be launching soon. Dang. Alright, we're gonna add some oil in a pot, right? Like we about to cook some rice or something, right? Okay. Put the sealant, the moisturizer, add some ice in there, and then you gotta use the what you call that? You know what I'm talking about? The whiskey thing. Gotta whisk everything, you feel me? Till it becomes white and foamy like a moisturizer, you feel me? And then after that, there you go. That's how you make your own moisturizer. Add your own oils, whatever you like. Add whatever you like, alright? That shit. Style. You got a lot of work to do with that lather, man. I see the lather all on your forehead, but I don't see it on your hair. Why is glistening? Well, why that just start glistening out of nowhere? Okay. Off bat, the definition is amazing. He looks flawless, man. The connections, the way the waves are going, looks nice. I don't see no forks. The crown looks closed. Bro, what? Alright, guys, I know waves are my profession, but I want to try other hairstyles too, man. Come on. Maybe they might be the same things. Alright, so we braiding that joint, right? I like the pattern. That look like a 720 pattern. But the back look like it's going on a 360. What's that you put in that? That's that mousse, right? Yeah. Hey, little bro right here. He did decent. He did a decent job, right, with the washing style. But when it came to the unrag, I was ready to see the unrag, right? But then watch this. Bro, let me see the unrag.